Are you tired of typing the same emails over and over? Learn to create a reusable email template in Zoho Mail in under 2 minutes. First, we'll access the Templates section, then set up your subject and category, and finally, save it for future use. Start by clicking on Templates in the left sidebar to open the Templates area. Then, hit the Create Template button to begin building a new one. Now, type in your subject line. For this demo, we'll use Bobby AI. Next, click on Select Category to choose or create a category for your template. Go ahead and type the category name. Here, we'll enter Trial. Once that's done, click Create to save the new category. Finally, click Save to finish creating your email template. And that's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.